Time now for your forewarned weather with Cannon Seacrest.
Hey, let's do that. Let's get a check of the weather with Cannon Seacrest live from southern Utah at ABC4's Black Desert Weather Center in Ivins. Boy, those are some blue skies behind you there, Cannon.
A gorgeous day down here in southern Utah. Ivins looking very nice. A little bit different up there in northern Utah. We'll talk about that just here in a bit. But those Pine Valley Mountains creeping out there in the background. Just a gorgeous shot today out here at the Black Desert Resort. A whole lot of construction going on here as well. Utah Lake also looking pretty nice though. Those storms just north of Utah Lake. But right now pretty sunny. We see some cloud coverage over there just behind those mountains. As the sun starts to set, we've seen a couple people out there as well enjoying the lake. The high temperature since midnight, about 85 degrees up there in Logan, 89 in Salt Lake City. As you move further down south, you start to see some of those 90s start to pop up, 90 in Delta, 92 in Milford, and then St. George down here. Triple digits, 101 in St. George for the high temperature for today. The satellite radar showing some of those showers that we were talking about lingering in from just over last night, as we saw a lot of flooding and a lot of wet weather covering most of the northern part of the state. But we're just seeing some showers near Vernal, Provo, and Salt Lake City just kind of sweep through here, while southern Utah stays fairly dry for today. Temperatures, current temperatures right now, 82 degrees up in Logan, so it has dropped off just a little bit. 88 in Salt Lake City, 90 in Delta, 89 in Milford. No longer triple digits in St. George, as we got down to about 99, but 96 there in Lake Powell. 8 p.m. we're going to be about 96 here ourselves in St. George, with those clear skies sticking around through the night. Mostly clear skies around 1 a.m. 84 degrees though, just dropping off quite a bit. And then we actually do get into those mid 70s there around 6 a.m. sticking with those clear skies throughout most of the night. The futurecast a little bit boring compared to what we've been looking at over the past few days. It's going to be staying fairly dry, a few showers lingering up in Vernal right now, but as we move further on through Wednesday and into Thursday, staying fairly clear throughout the state. Thursday around 5 o'clock, we see some showers up there near Manila, but for the most part, the rest of the state staying pretty clear up there. Also in the northwestern corner of the state, getting a few showers up there as well. Continuing on into Friday, it's staying fairly dry. A few cloud coverages starting to move through, but then as we get into the weekend, some of those showers will be popping up. Tonight's forecast shows 55 degrees up there in Logan, 65 in Salt Lake City, 64 in Provo. On the east side of the state, we got 53 actually over there in Vernal. Down in Moab, 67, 61 in Blanding, and then 71 degrees for tonight in St. George, getting down to those low 70s. For tomorrow, the temperatures do kick up quite a bit. 101 in St. George, 94 in Lake Powell, 92 in Delta, 93 in Salt Lake City, and then 88 degrees up north in Logan. Taking a look at the full week forecast on the Wasatch Front, we're sticking into those mid to high 90s for the most part on the Wasatch Front. As we get further into the weekend, some of those isolated thunderstorms do start to creep in there on Saturday and stay until around Tuesday. Slight chance of rain there as well. And then on Wednesday, we pump it back up to about 97 degrees. A little bit of cloud coverage there on Wednesday. And then in St. George, things are looking a little bit different. We have triple digits throughout most of the time. Saturday and Sunday, some of those isolated showers coming through, but triple digits throughout the week here in St. George. Brian, back to you.
Cannon, we appreciate it.